Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to understand a very important question from Module 1 of DBMS. So, our question is explain the weak and strong entity. So, let's start with weak entity. A weak entity is an entity that cannot be uniquely identified using its own attributes. It depends on another entity called the owner entity for their identification. So, this is the key idea for the weak entity. What's the important concept in this? First, a weak entity does not have a primary key. Instead, it uses a combination of the owner entity's key and its own partial key. Second, it has an identifying relationship with the owner entity, which must always exist. And the third, it has existence dependency, meaning it cannot exist without the owner entity. So these all are the relationships. This is the owner entity, then the identifying relationship. It must always exist. Without the owner entity, it doesn't exist. Then the existence dependency. Here we are taking an example. A dependent cannot exist without an employee. Now let's understand partial key. So a partial key is an attribute that helps identifying the weak entity, but only when combined with the owner's key. For example, dependent name along with the employee ID. Now let's see the notations. A weak entity is represented using a double rectangle. The identifying relationship is shown using a double diamond, and the partial key is shown using a dotted underline. So here it is the example. So now we are moving towards strong entity. A strong entity is an entity that has its own primary key. It cannot be uniquely identified by its own attributes. It does not depend on any other entity. So this is strong entity. These are the key features of it. Now we will see the notation in ER diagram. Strong entity is shown using single rectangle and key attribute in underline, as we have already seen in the numerical parts. Here are the examples for employee ID name, then employee ID is the primary key. Each employee is uniquely identified, so employee is a strong entity. So like this we can understand which is strong and which is weak entity. Now let's understand the difference. Here is the difference between weak and strong entity. Strong entity has its own primary key while weak entity doesn't have. Strong entity is independent while weak entity depends on another entity. Strong entity can exist alone while weak entity cannot exist alone. So in conclusion, weak entities depend on strong entities for identification while strong entities are independent and self-identified. So if you want these notes, you guys can join our WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel group whose link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.